Many people do not realize that a simple mineral could be connected to so many things they experience every day. The tiredness that appears early in the day, muscle cramps that disturb your sleep, and difficulty concentrating may sometimes be linked to low magnesium levels. Magnesium is one of the most important minerals in the body, yet it is often overlooked. Disclaimer: this content is for educational and informational purposes only and is not intended as professional medical or nutritional advice. It does not replace any medication, treatment, or guidance provided by a qualified healthcare professional. Always consult a healthcare professional before making changes to your diet, supplements, or health routine. For thousands of years, people have consumed natural foods rich in minerals and nutrients. Many of these foods were part of ancient diets and are still recognized today for their nutritional value. In this video, we will explore 7 powerful magnesium-rich foods inspired by biblical nutrition and traditional whole food eating. Food number 1: walnuts. Walnuts have been valued since ancient times and were known throughout the Mediterranean and biblical regions. They were considered a symbol of abundance and prosperity. What makes walnuts special is their unique combination of magnesium, healthy fats, and antioxidants. A small serving of walnuts provides magnesium along with plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for supporting overall wellness. Walnuts are also known for supporting brain and heart health. Their nutrients may help protect cells, support healthy cholesterol levels, and promote normal blood vessel function. The magnesium found in walnuts also plays a role in muscle relaxation and maintaining a healthy heart rhythm. A simple way to enjoy walnuts is by adding them to oatmeal, salads, or eating a small handful as a snack. Food number 2: figs. Figs are one of the most recognized fruits connected with biblical history. The fig tree appears throughout Scripture and was considered a symbol of peace and prosperity. Fresh figs provide magnesium, while dried figs contain a more concentrated amount along with potassium, calcium, and fiber. The fiber in figs supports digestive health and helps maintain a healthy gut. The combination of magnesium and potassium in figs also supports normal blood pressure and healthy muscle function. Because dried figs contain more natural sugar, portion size is important, especially for people monitoring blood sugar levels. Figs can be enjoyed alone, added to yogurt, or combined with other healthy foods for a nourishing snack. Food number 3: pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are among the most magnesium-dense foods available. A small handful can provide a significant amount of daily magnesium needs. These tiny seeds are also rich in zinc, iron, healthy fats, and other important minerals. Magnesium from pumpkin seeds is especially valuable for muscle function because it helps muscles relax after contraction. Many people who experience occasional muscle tension or cramps may benefit from including magnesium-rich foods as part of a balanced diet. Pumpkin seeds are easy to add to meals. Sprinkle them over salads, oatmeal, or enjoy them as a simple snack. Food number 4: almonds. Almonds were mentioned in biblical times and were considered valuable among ancient cultures. They were associated with beauty, renewal, and abundance. A small serving of almonds provides magnesium along with vitamin E, healthy fats, protein, and fiber. These nutrients work together to support heart health, energy, and overall nutrition. The combination of protein, fat, and fiber in almonds helps promote fullness and supports balanced energy throughout the day. Magnesium and calcium together also play an important role in maintaining strong bones. A handful of almonds can be a simple daily habit that adds important nutrients to your diet. Food number 5: avocados. Although avocados are not native to the biblical world, they represent the same principle of natural, whole food nutrition. A whole avocado contains magnesium, potassium, healthy fats, and fiber. These nutrients make avocados a powerful addition to a balanced diet. The healthy fats in avocados help the body absorb important vitamins from other foods. Their fiber content supports digestion and helps maintain steady energy levels. Magnesium and potassium work together to support healthy blood vessels and normal body function. Adding avocado to salads, meals, or smoothies is an easy way to increase nutrient intake. Food number 6: bananas. Bananas have been enjoyed across many cultures for thousands of years and remain one of the most convenient nutrient-rich fruits. A medium banana provides magnesium along with potassium, making it valuable for muscle and heart function. These minerals act as electrolytes that help regulate important signals involved in muscle movement and normal body processes. Bananas are also easy to digest and provide natural energy. Their fiber helps slow the absorption of natural sugars, providing more steady energy compared with many processed snacks. A banana can be enjoyed alone, added to smoothies, or combined with nuts and seeds for a nutritious meal. Food number 7. Lentils. Lentils hold a special place in biblical history. They were a common food source and were valued for their ability to provide strength and nourishment. A serving of cooked lentils provides magnesium along with protein, fiber, iron, potassium, and other essential nutrients. They are one of the most complete plant-based foods available. The fiber in lentils supports digestion and helps maintain balanced blood sugar levels. Their combination of protein and minerals makes them a powerful food for energy and overall wellness. Lentils can be used in soups, stews, salads, or traditional meals. They are affordable, nutritious, and have been a valuable part of human diets for generations. These 7 magnesium-rich foods show that powerful nutrition does not always come from complicated products. Sometimes, the best choices are simple whole foods that have supported human health for centuries. Remember, this information is for education only and should not replace professional medical advice. If you have health conditions or take medications, always discuss dietary changes with your healthcare provider.